Hello, everybody. How's you guys doing today? So today is Friday, actually. And how is everybody doing? I hope everybody doing fine. And today I'm just gonna come out here to do this video, and we're gonna talk about the project number 4, okay? And then we're gonna talk about the file structure of TwoPad, okay? Now let's go over there. I'm gonna show you what I mean, okay? Right here, file structure of TwoPad. After TwoPad have been generated from using various TwoPad module, we may need to manipulate these TwoPad. Mastercam provides various a way to modify TwoPad, including deleting, merging, and editing. Understanding the structure of Mastercam TwoPad is very crucial to successfully implementing these editing features. This chapter starts with the TwoPad file structure and follow with the deleting function, for editing function, and conclude with the linear array. All these functions are really useful in generate proper TwoPad for cutting parts. Mastercam organized the TwoPad into sections so that they can be edited. The TwoPad sections are assigned according to their generating sequence. The TwoPad generated by one operation is normally identified as one operation or section. Therefore, two-pad sections are generated by using the contour, pocket, drill, or service module. Three operations, for example, are used to machine the part shown in Figure 8.1. The operation sequence starts with using the contour module to contour the outer profile, followed by use the pocket module for pocketing the rectangular pocket and using the drill module to drill the three hole. The two pad in the example contain three sections or organized as below. Now we got a section two paths right here. Section one contour module is to talk about right here. We're gonna cut from here all the way around to the rectangle. That's contour module. And section two pocket module, we talk about this rectangle right here. We're gonna cut the pocket inside here. Okay. And then section three drill module. We're gonna make these four holes here. Then we're gonna drill it through. Okay. Now let's go to a Mastercam and I'm gonna show you how to do that now, okay? Now let's go to main menu here and let's go to F9, so on F9 and go into click on create and we're gonna use a rectangle here and use 1 point. This time we're gonna use 40 by 20, okay? 40 in width and 20 in height. And we're gonna click OK here and we're gonna click on origin and then go ahead and click escape Alt F1 for the screen, F2 for the screen in the middle. And we go back to main menu. We're gonna use X form most of the time. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and click X form here and offset. Then we're gonna select copy here. Then we're gonna put 3 inches and number of steps we're gonna use 1. Offset this time we're gonna put 3. Okay, we're gonna click OK here. We're gonna select all 4 corners. Start from the left to the right. 1, 2, bottom to top, and top to bottom. 3 inches right there. Let's go back to main menu. And then we click on create. We're gonna click on point right here and select on position. We're gonna position right here. That's all drill right here. We're gonna click 1 here, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, that's what it look like. And now we're gonna make some more lines. Okay, so this is beginning way. Okay, we don't gonna skip it to the advanced, but we're gonna start from beginning. Okay, let's go to X form here. We're gonna click on offset again. We got 3 inches right here. Go ahead and click OK. We're gonna use from here, from this first line here to the bottom. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, we're gonna leave it right there. Okay, and then we're gonna come from back up again. We're gonna go to offset again. We're gonna click on 6 inches here. Then gonna click OK. We're gonna start from the bottom to the top. Okay, that's it right there. Okay, now going back up. Now we got 40 inches on width, right? We're gonna split it in half. So X form again, offset. We're gonna put 20. Click OK. We're gonna start from this first line right here. That's in the middle. Okay. Now go back to main menu. Okay. And then we're gonna start from this line, this first line right here to the middle, 10 inches. Okay. Let's go to offset, X-form offset. Click 10 inches. Click OK. Start from this first line here, just like that. And then we're gonna click from this right line to the left, the 10 inches right there. Okay. And now we're gonna make a radius here. We're gonna make a radius, 4 radius right here. Okay. Now let's start to make radius first. See how it goes. Okay. Go ahead and click on modify, fillet, and radius right here. Go ahead and put 3 inches radius and click enter. Gonna select from this line right here to this line right here, just like that. Okay, then we're gonna select this line right here to this line right there, and to this line, just like that. Okay, now we're gonna delete this line right here, this middle line right here, and this line right here. Okay. Now we're gonna come back to create another line. We're gonna go X form offset. Got 10 inches right here, and click OK. Gonna select from this line to this line, and from this line to in the line right there. Okay. And also we're gonna trim it out. We're gonna use trimming. Okay, from this line, and this line, this line. We're gonna trim it out. Okay. So now we're gonna go to main menu, and then we're gonna go ahead and click on create. Okay, click on create again, and see how it position the point right here. We click on point. We got 1 right here, 2 right here, 3 right here, and 4 right there, right? So that's how it should be. Okay, go back to main menu and go to modify. Okay, we're gonna do some more radius right here. This one and 2 right here. Go ahead and click on fillet. Click on radius. We're gonna use 3 inches radius, same one. Go click enter. Go ahead and click on this line right here, and this line right here, just like that. And this line right here, and this line right here, just like that. Okay, now we got to get rid of this line, right? Okay, we got to trim it out first. Okay, we're gonna click on this right here. Okay, now go back to main menu. We're gonna modify. We're gonna trim this one entity. Okay, this line right here, and this line right here, just like that. And now we can delete this line here in the middle here, and this one right here. But also we delete this line. We're gonna delete this line, but also we're gonna connect this line right here. Go ahead and go to main menu. Then we're gonna click on create. Click on line here, and we're gonna click on horizontal. Connect this line right here. Go ahead and click on this one right here, and click on this line. That's just how it looks. So how to get this circle right here at this point right here. That's how it looks right there, guys. So that's all our projects right there. Okay, now we have to do cut it out, right? We're gonna do the contour from it all around rectangle. Then we're gonna use the pocket right here, okay? And then we're gonna use a hole, right? We're gonna drill the hole, 4 hole here, okay? We're gonna drill all of that. Okay, let's go to a toolpad. Click on toolpad here, and we're gonna use a drill first. Go and click on manual. We're gonna put right here, first drill. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3, and that's 4 right there. And go ahead and click escape, and go ahead and select done. There's a tool library right here. Go ahead and right click, get a tool from a tool library. And this time we're gonna use a tool number 162, which is a 53 by 64 drill, okay? Go ahead and scroll down 162, right here, 53 by 64 drill. Go ahead and select that. And this section right here, we're gonna go ahead and put drill, okay? Okay. And the feed rate, we're gonna leave it alone. The spindle speed, we go ahead and put 400, just like that. And then on the top right here, simple drill, no peg. We're gonna select on that. We're gonna select on clearing. And then we're gonna put on 0.75 top of stock. Then we're gonna, on depth right here, gonna put negative 0.75, which we're gonna drill all the way through, okay? And click OK here, just like that. Now we're gonna go to pocket, right here on the left side, click on that. We're gonna come to the middle here and click that all the way through and select done. Go back to our tool library again, go ahead and right click, get a tool from our library. Now tool number is gonna be 235, which we're gonna use a 1/4 inch flat end mill. Go ahead and scroll all the way down here. Gonna use 235, which is quarter flat end mill right here. Click OK. On this section right here, go ahead and put rough pocket. Okay, the feed rate, plunge rate, retractive rate, we're going to change that. We'll see right here, tool number 2 is a quartering flat and quartering diameter right there. Okay, we're going to change the feed rate, plunge rate, retractive rate to 8.0. Okay, and we're going to change the spindle speed also to 2000. And then the coolant, we're going to turn it on. Then on the top right here, pocket parameter. And make sure you put on absolute. We can check on clearance already. Top of stock at 0.35. And the depth, we're going to put a negative 0.5. We don't want to cut all the way through. So negative 0.5. Okay. And then this section right on the right here, tip calm. We're going to use center. And then pull a roll cutter around corner. We're going to use none here. Okay, and then we're going to go to rough finish parameter. And we're going to use true spiral. Select on that. And then on the bottom right here, go ahead and check mark on spiral, spiral inside to outside. And then the cutter calm, we're going to use weird. Select on that. And then click OK. That's how it looks right there. And one more step we had to do, go ahead and select on contour here. And then right here, on this first line right here, go ahead and click on it. It's highlight all around. And then select done. Go back to our tool library and go ahead and right click and get the tool from our library. And this time we're going to use the tool number of 239, which is a half-inch flat end mill. Go ahead and scroll down until you find 239, which is right here, half-inch flat. Go ahead and select that and click OK. Tool number 3, half-inch flat, half-inch diameter. Okay, feed rate, plunge rate, retractive rate. Go ahead and change it to 9.0. And then the spindle speed, go ahead and change to 2000. Of course, we're going to change the coolant to on. And at this section right here, we're going to put finish pad. Okay. And then right here on the top, go ahead and select contour parameter. Make sure you put on the depth right here. Going to cut all the way through. So I put negative 0.75, just like that. And then compensation direction, put left right here. And a tip comb, we're going to use center. Okay. And then go ahead and select OK. That's how it looked right there. Let's go to our operation and see how it looks. Go ahead and select all here and verify. And go ahead and select start button. That's all 4 hole right there. That's what we wanted. And this center right here, we're doing a pocket. We're using a 1/4 inch flat end mill. Okay. I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys do like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share for people that need to learn the basic one, and I would be appreciated. And that's how it look, guys. So let's go to a job setup and see in different view. Go ahead to go to main menu right here in job setup and select X and Y. So X is Y is 40, X is 20. Y is 20 and X is 40. My bad, sorry. And on the Z, we're gonna go ahead and put 10 here, and then display stock right here, and click OK. Then go ahead and select on fit screen here, and then unzoom a little bit. That's how it looks right there. Go ahead and right click, and dynamic spin right here. See how it go. That's how it looks from the top. Okay, on the side. Okay, so that's how it looks right there, guys. So that is all for tonight, guys. I hope you guys like the video. Please share, subscribe to people that need to learn. I really appreciate it. And other than that, you guys have a great night, and I see you next time. Bye-bye.